Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to practice the hula of Kona, dancing parts 1 and 2 together. If you're just tuning into my channel and would like to learn Kona, please go back to the previous 2 videos to learn step by step so you can dance along with us. As we say in Hawaiian, ho'o mākou kau, are you ready? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video, and click the bell to receive notifications. Mahalo for tuning in. Until we see each other again, a hui ho and aloha.